So basically this will print the data. So let me say con, enter your first name, right? So if we run this, so let me go back to my simulator and we run this. As you can see, it will prompt you to enter your first name, right? So if I do this, Evans Mburu, so let me log this request body, let me log this text. So let me go back again. Okay, so let me, as you can see, it is empty right here. So let me do this again. Evans Mburu. So this is the data that you are receiving back to the application. So as you can see, if it is empty, this is what it will do. If it is not empty, so else if data is not empty, if the data is not empty, now this is when we can do other things. So first thing first, before I continue here, let me create a new model. So a model is like creating a new table. So in MongoDB, basically we use documents. Documents are collections. A document is the database. A collection is the tables. So right here now you want to create a collection. So let me say user. I'm not good at explaining things, guys, but I'm good at doing things. So let me say mongoose. Let me require this module, and then let's say const. Let me create a new schema, mongoose schema, and then here let's create a new model, mongoose. So this is just a simple way of creating a new model using mongoose. So let's input the first name. So you want to get the first name and the ID number. So the ID number can be a string or a number. So let's just say number for now. And then what else? So we have created this. So let's require this. First thing first, yeah, module. So you have exported it, so it can be accessed anywhere in the application right now. So let's say const user, so models, const user require model user.js. I like using comments in my libraries. So the next thing is now, so after getting your first name, what's next? So let me show you something, guys. So let me just put another response here. So con, enter your ID number. So when you do this, when we run the app. So let me just enter my name, Evans Mburu. Let's see what is the error. I've set the application, so let me run this again. So let me enter my name. Let me find what's the issue right here. Enter your ID number, it's correct. Let me remove this, else if. Let me try again. So let me say Evans Mburu. So I'm having an error. Let me do something. Let me try to console here too. So this is a way of knowing which part of your if statement has errors. So so let me say console log. Yeah, it is working right now. So enter your ID number. So my ID number is 26. As you can see, so this is the input outputs, the second output. So basically the output will look like this. This is the multiple sign. So if there's another output, there will be a multiple sign with that output. Basically that's how it works. So this is how I normally do. So I normally convert this into an array, this string into an array, and to do that, basically you just have to come here. So we can say let new string new let's say array is equals to text split. We're using the split method to split the string. So this method will basically look inside the new string. So it will basically look if there's a this multiple sign, and then it will create a new array. So let's say if we do console log array, so let me go back and then let me run this application again. So let me say Evans Mburu. So when you go back to our logs, so this is what the data will be. So this is the output, the array. So as you can see, so from there now we can manipulate this data and do many things with it. So first thing first, we can say, as you can see, when we input our first name, this is the second, and then it appends to the second. So let's say if array dot length is equals to 1, then please we want this ID number, else if array length is greater than 1. Do something else here. So inside here, what you can do, or we can just say is equals to 2. Here you can say else can give back an error. So else end. So the end means that on the USSD you won't be prompted to enter any input, so it will end. So we will see about that. So let's say network error, please try again. So inside here, because we have found our ID number, so let's say response, can say response. So if array, so the first value, so the first index, which will be our ID number, should be greater than 0. By default this will be a string, so you have to convert it into an integer. So if it's above 0, so let's say response your